Now we are going to see how to solve the rational numbers. Okay. Now this is the question given to us: minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Now in this, first of all, we have to see which numbers are in multiplication. Which two rational numbers are in multiplication with each other. So what we see that these two rational numbers are in multiplication with each other and these two rational numbers are in multiplication with each other. Okay. Now when these two numbers are in multiplication with each other, is there any rational number which is common in both of them? Yes. 3 upon 5 is here also and 3 upon 5 is here also. Okay. Now we bring them together. Minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 and plus 5 upon 2. Always remember, we can change the place of the number, any number, whether it is a rational number or any other kind of number. We can change the place of the number, but we cannot change the sign of the number. As we have not changed the sign here and we have not changed the sign here also. Okay. Now, here and here, what we see that 3 upon 5 is here also and here also. So we take 3 upon 5 common out of this. When we take them common, what remains is inside is minus 2 upon 3. Okay. And minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5. We have, minus 1 upon 6. 3 upon 5 we have already taken common. Minus 1 upon 6. Okay. Minus 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5 we have taken common. So minus 1 upon 6. So this is the thing we are getting inside the bracket, and plus 5 upon 2. Now we solve the bracket. Okay. So we put 3 upon 5 into LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6. To bring 6 here in the denominator, we multiply 2 in 3. Okay. We multiply 2 in 3 to get 6. If we are multiplying 2 in the denominator, we will multiply 2 in the numerator also and we get minus 4. 6 will remain as it is. Okay, because 6 is the LCM. So here we don't have to multiply anything. If we are not multiplying anything in the denominator, we don't have to multiply anything in the numerator also. Minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. Okay. Now 3 upon 5 into minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus minus plus, and sign will come of minus, that is of the bigger number always, upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Okay. Now 3 upon 5 into minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Now here, these both are in multiplication with each other. So if we want to cancel anything, that can be cancelled. Only in multiplication it happens. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So what we get is 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5 upon 2. Now we got minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. This, here we have the LCM, both the denominators are same, so no need of taking the LCM, we can simply solve it. 2 we have written here, minus 1 plus 5, minus plus minus, sign will come off bigger number, that is 5, and it is plus. So here plus sign will come and we don't need to put here plus sign. We simply write 5 minus 1, 4. 4 upon 2 is equal to, we cancel here, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2. Now for your homework, I am giving you one question that you should note down and try to solve it by this same method. So your homework is, and if you don't know anything, if you have any doubt in anything, you can make me a call, ask me, okay? But please don't make me call in the morning before 10 o'clock, because 9th and 10th class are having the live classes and it will disturb the class if you make a call. So don't make a call before 10 o'clock in the morning. So your homework is 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Once again you see, 2 upon 5 into bracket, small bracket, minus 3 upon 7, small bracket closed, minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. Now what we see here, these two are in multiplication with each other, these two are in multiplication with each other, and these two are in multiplication with each other. But what we see is that 2 upon 5 is here and here. In these two terms, 2 upon 5 is there, which can be taken out common as we did in the previous question. So 2 upon 5 can be taken common. So we bring this term and this term together, and this term we take it afterwards. Okay, and like this way you will solve it. Fine. Now solve it and send it to me. Now we are going to see what is additive inverse. What we are going to see? Additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse is the number which added to any number gives 0. Such as if I take a number 2, okay, what should I add in this to get 0? I should add here minus 2 to get 0. So minus 2 is the additive inverse of 2. Okay. Now if I say 3 upon 4, what should I add in 3 upon 4 to get 0? That is minus 3 upon 4. So minus 3 upon 4 is the additive inverse of 3 upon 4. If I say minus 6 upon 7, what should I add in minus 6 upon 7 to get 0? I should add plus 6 upon 7. Okay. So additive inverse of minus 6 upon 7 is plus 6 upon 7. Okay. So this is called additive inverse. Additive inverse means the number which when added to the given number gives us 0. Okay. So now you have to write down the additive inverse of, this is also homework. Write down additive inverse of 2 upon 8 minus 5 upon 9 minus 6 upon minus 5, 2 upon minus 9 and 19 upon minus 6. In case of any doubt, you can make a call to me. Okay, so this much you have to do.